If you're looking for a replacement microwave oven that fits over your range, has a bunch of unique features, and is value packed, then you should stick around while we review this new microwave from GE. We're in the process of replacing all the appliances in our kitchen, and when it came to selecting a new microwave oven, we ended up going with this new microwave from GE. This is the Profile series. We chose this because of its unique design and all the great features it has. So if you're in the market for a microwave that's in the $600 range, then this one might be the one for you. Like our other review videos, we only do product reviews on things that we've purchased ourselves. So for example, this microwave oven, we've owned it for a little while now, so we can give you our honest opinion on what we think about it and whether or not we'd purchase it again. So first up, let's talk about some of the specs. This is a 30-inch microwave, so if you have a 30-inch opening, this should fit in it. Now, some stoves and some openings are 36 inches, and so it's a little bit wider depending on if you have more of a professional oven. So you might want to measure the space and make sure that your opening is the right size, because if it's a 36-inch space, then this microwave is not going to fit in it. Some microwaves have filler kits that you can purchase to install to make the smaller microwaves fit in them, but this is not one of those models, at least not at the time of filming this. So if that's your situation, then this is not the right microwave for you, unfortunately, and you should look for another option. It's also a little over 17 inches tall and a little longer than 16 inches deep. I'll have the exact measurements show up below so you can see exactly what the specifications are per GE's website. This has 2.1 cubic feet of interior space, so it's big enough to put in a 9x13 inch pan, and it has 1,050 watts of power, so it's right in that mid-range, that sweet spot that you want to look for when you're purchasing a new microwave. The ventilation fan can either be used in a recirculating air mode, so if you don't have an outside vent to the outside of your house, you can use this microwave, and if you have an outside vent, then you can flip the blower motor around inside when you're installing it, so that way the air forces outside of your house. So in either situation, this microwave will meet the need. It also has a replaceable charcoal filter, which helps keep odors down from cooking. And when the charcoal filter is needed to be replaced, then a light will show up on the front of the microwave telling you it's time for a new one. The ventilation fan also has 4 settings, so it can be used when you have one burner that's going, or even if you have all 4 going at the same time, you've got enough power to get rid of all the smoke and the steam all at once. The front is really slick and it has an integrated design for the display, so it makes it really easy to clean. It also has other features that you typically find on a microwave like this, such as a bright stovetop light, informative LED display, and an add 30 seconds button, so you can easily add time before it runs out. All right, so let's talk about some of the more unique features of this microwave. First up, it has the Chef Connect. So if you have a range that also has Chef Connect, that means you can set the time on either the microwave or the stove, and the time will automatically synchronize between the two devices. So that means you'll never have to worry again about making sure the time on the microwave and the time on the stove is perfectly in sync when you set it, because you just have to set it once and it takes care of the synchronization for you in the background. The other thing the Chef Connect will do for you is you can set it to turn on the lights whenever you turn on a burner automatically. And you can also even set it to turn on the ventilation fan if you so choose. Those settings can be turned on or off depending on what your needs are. So if you want the fan on and not the light, or the light on and not the fan, or if you want both of them on, don't worry, you have that option and you can customize this to fit your needs. Some of the other models of microwaves are large enough to put it in a 9x13 inch casserole dish or a really large dish inside to microwave it, but they don't let you turn off the turntable. So that means your dish will bang up against the side of the microwave and the door as it's cooking. Well, GE thought of that and they've integrated a button that lets you simply turn off the turntable. So if you have a big dish like that, you can put it in, turn off the turntable, microwave it, and life is good. This also has a lot of different sensor cooking options, so you can either reheat food, defrost food, cook specific types of food like chicken or fish or vegetables, and it even has a dedicated popcorn and potato button. So that means you can press a button, set it and forget it, and you don't have to worry about how much time you have to use to cook a specific dish. You just let the microwave take care of it for you. This microwave is also available in a number of different finishes. We ended up purchasing the stainless steel finish, but it's also available in black stainless steel, slate, and black slate. So it can blend into your kitchen or stand out, I suppose, depending on what your preference is. So really there's a few reasons why this microwave was a good choice for us. One, it has a really unique look to it in design, something that we really liked. Two, because of the unique look and design, it makes it really easy to clean. It even has an integrated handle, so that way when you open it, there's nothing here that can get gunked up with food. Probably the feature that stands out the most is that Chef Connect button. It just makes life so much easier, especially when you have to reset the clock for daylight savings time. It becomes just another thing we have to do instead of something that we dread. And the inside is just as easy to clean as the outside is because all the surfaces are smooth, and makes it easy just to wipe out with a paper towel. Now, while everything I've said up to this point sounds good about this microwave, there are a couple things that you should keep in mind. One, this does not have a melt button, which means that you can't just push a button to melt butter. Likewise, it doesn't have a soften button either. So if you're trying to soften things like cream cheese, then you have to actually put some time on the microwave and watch it to make sure the food's doing what you want it to do. Now, is that a deal breaker? Not really, but if that's something that you're used to, and especially if you're a baker and you're using those features quite a bit, that might be something to consider. Also, if you have a 36-inch opening, this is a deal breaker for you because again, you can't put this in that space. So bottom line, will we purchase this microwave again? We would have to say yes. Everyone in the family really loves it. Love the features and everything that we've talked about in this video. If you're looking to purchase one of these yourself, then we're going to have a link in the description below that will take you to a page that will let you find the best price for this microwave on the internet right now. So check that out if you're interested. Also, if you're worried about installing this microwave on your own, you shouldn't be, because we have another video where we take you through the step-by-step process of removing our old microwave that was in this location and installing this new microwave in this spot. So we'll have a card that pops up above right now that will take you to that video, as well as a link in the description below that will take you to it. If you have any questions about something that we didn't cover in this video, please leave us a comment below. We'll be sure to look at your comments and answer those as soon as we can. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a like below. That really helps us out. And if you haven't subscribed to Top Homeowner already, you should consider doing that because we cover a lot of topics that are related to home ownership, including not just reviews, but also how to do installations, how to do repair work, and how to do proper maintenance on your home. So if you're looking to become the best homeowner you can be, join our community and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. So bottom line, will we purchase this microwave again? Yes, the answer is, I am Yoda. It's a microwave with a microwave below it. This one's huge. I'm not on camera. I mean, I am on camera. And if you're not already laughing at me, like my wife is right now, please don't.